Hello, you guys. So I'm gonna just show you my puppies and dogs. So, hey, stop untying my shoe, man. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the girls, which are the dogs, not the puppies. The puppies are boys. Here's Rosie. I don't know what she is. I don't know what kind of dog she is. But she hates being carried because now she's a mother of 4 puppies. But we gave 2 of them away. So here's Fella, the Chihuahua. Look, she's right here. Guys, get away! She's right there. That one. I don't want to carry her because so the next one are the baby boy puppies. This is Mocha. I call him Mochi. Look at him. Isn't he so cute? Aren't you, baby? He's so fluffy. Let me carry you, boy. He has long legs. This is Chickling. The boy. Ew. So the 2 that I just showed you are boys. Come on. I gotta go feed them. Hey, stop trying to untie my shoe. Seriously? Give me my shoe. No. So, those are my dogs. They're really crazy. When I let them go outside, just saying, I have, I had a leash on them. They all go on the side. They always go on the side and they just lay down and play with plants. Like, unbelievable, right? Still playing with my shoe, huh? You're back. Stop playing with my shoe, man. Yes, let's go. So, yeah. Mocha has, like, beautiful eyes. But most of the time, he's a bad boy. God. Just the camera fell. But there's like a bee. Not a bee, I mean a spider. I'm trying to kill it with the broom. It's on the cage. long legs. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Rosie knows how to do pop. Go get her. Rosie! Yeah, you are. Oh my God! You guys stop. Get back. Oh my God. Go. Get off of here, man. Get off. You too. Okay. Ready? See your paw. Rosie, paw. Other one. No other one. No other one. Guys, get out the way. Ah. You're bit, babe.